I'm Seher. I lead the people team at Quidditch.
My name is Shloka. I work in the business strategy team at Quidditch.
I'm Revati Kanakdandi.
My name is Vishesh.
My name is Ashwini Jahagirdar.
My name is Vatila D'Souza.
My name is Navodita.
My name is Vatsal.
My name is Komal.
Hi, I am Om.
My name is Simran.
Myself Abhishek Padolia.
My name is Pooja Narayan Kaur.
At Quidditch, I think we very consciously and maybe to some extent organically built out a very diverse team in terms of our thinking. You know, the kind of backgrounds that people come from. You've got people who were in banking before this. You've got someone who was a race car driver. I was in the education space before this. So, yes, of course, we've got engineers, but we've also got a whole host of people who were doing something completely unconnected to where we are today.
Primarily, when we think about sports, we think of men.
To be an athlete or a professional athlete and make a living out of it, especially in India, is very, very tough.
So we have stereotyped things that sports, it will be seen by men, it will be operated by men. Men will be thinking about that.
In most households, the expectation from women is very different than the expectation from men. And so that conditioning just goes on.
So when I was playing, that time the path ahead was not clear for a woman athlete.
When I first joined Quidditch, I was, I think, the third, I think, female employee at Quidditch. Now things have really changed. We've grown in size.
Once I got to know everyone, I never felt that differentiation कि there were too less girls and too many boys or anything like that.
So I think women play a major role in reinventing things very quickly and implementing those things.
Women bring more empathy and understanding. And I think certain problems need an emotional touch and emotional understanding while you're solving a problem.
And that diversity in thinking and experience brings a whole different kind of experience of how we're looking at any kind of problem, right?
It's a perspective that is lacking right now. It's a very male-dominant industry, and it needs fresh perspective to evolve and to change and to grow.
Women mostly are more organized and more disciplined.
I always think that a man thinks only in a single particular direction, but women, multitask. They can think in all different sorts of directions.
Their perspective, their experience, how they face society and their work and the sports all together combining, it's all of a different thing.
In New Zealand for the Women's World Cup in 2022, they consciously hired a lot of camera women. The audio people were women. An effort was made. That means that talent is available.
I 100% feel that there are a lot of female operators out there.
There are a lot of women's sports happening. There are a lot of thinking, changing. Earlier, people didn't know about the career opportunities in the sports industry. If they are passionate about anything they want to do, they can pursue it in the sports industry also. If women would like to be a part of this industry, I don't see any gaps.
Treat this industry as any other industry that is there, which is equally challenging to work in. Maybe any IT services company, any product-based company. The problems are very similar. It's just the industry is different.
And if sports is something you enjoy, it's a great place to be. There's nothing like it. You can make massive impacts, and you just have to back yourself like you would in any other industry.